Let's go get him again.
Not too many 10 out of 10s come through on the Robes Away channel. I'm a picky guy. You're not going to get a perfect score from me. Well, this one right here, Blood got a 10 out of me off a sample, right? I did my test drive, a few weeks ago, and I've been sitting on this bottle and I need to open it. So that's why we're having this video today, because I need to open it before Christmas. So this one was expedited by yours truly because I really wanted to open up my bottle because my sample's gone and I need this scent. So that's how bad that is. This is Amber Kiso. If you don't know how to read titles, this is a leather-based scent. So don't think it's a amber-based scent, but oh, this was a banger. And I can't wait to unbox it. And let's see if it's still a 10. Let's go. Fragrance family, welcome to the Robes Away channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing, giving a first impression. Well, not really. If you've seen my previous video, I did get a little lucky scent sample on this one. It got a 10 out of 10 on that video, and I needed a bottle immediately. And this is Amber Kiso from the brand of DS and Durga. Now, I own Burning Barbershop from DS and Durga, and that thing is going for the perfect 10 club. But we got another one right here, and not so fast. This may be the cream of the crop. I got a 100 ml bottle of this stuff. I don't really need 100 ml, but you don't want to roll the dice on a 50 ml on a fragrance like this. This was a 10 out of 10 out of me. So let's get into this. So this is in a first impression, as you know. So I'll throw the card up on this thing over here somewhere. So if you haven't seen the real first impression, go take a look at me sampling it from my little Lucky Scent sample. You don't want to miss it. It's great. But today I'm very happy that I got my full bottle. It can join the family, the beautiful family of fragrances I have in this room right here. And this stuff is an excellent leather-based scent. So don't let the name fool you. This is one of the times that I'm expecting an amber, I get a leather, and I'm not mad. So let's get my bottle opened up. All right, now it's time, and I'm happy. Oh, I'm so happy. Let's go. Happy me. Let's get my bottle unboxed. So it seems like cellophane is fighting me on this one. It's telling me no. And I'm saying yes. I need this. Let's go. So it's been a while since I've purchased a DS and Durga. Again, this is my second bottle. I'm trying to remember how to open these. Obviously it's this way, but what am I doing wrong? I don't want to break it. I don't want to make it angry, but yet I don't want you guys just waiting. So I'm just going to push it this way. That's the way you, oh, look at that juice. Look at that, oh, look at that color. Look at that color. Oh, I need my cap. Cap's got weight to it. Beautiful DSD right there. But this is, oh, I can smell it from here. This is strong, beautiful. I'm ready. I'm happy to unbox this winter to get some play out of it. So, DS and Durga's Amber Kiso. Now, this is not a first impression, but if you're stumbling upon this the first time, let me tell you, just like the first day. Smoky leather. Smoke from the incense. Absolutely gorgeous. Cold, ashy smoke with rough, tumble leather. The leather is from like a tannery. Like I was saying in my previous video on this thing, it has a balsamic quality to it. It almost has like an oily, greasy feel to the release. I think I said it reminds me of a Slumber House release. Kind of. The cypress in here gives it the greenery. It gives it its woods. Now, you don't smell it here, but there's a sappy maple note when I tested out the little sample more into the dry down, which gave it more of a gourmandish feeling. It's definitely not gourmand. This is leather-based, smoke-based. I gave this a 10 like 2 weeks ago. It's still a 10 today. I'm very happy with this bottle. I like my smoky scents. I like my leather-based scents that are big, bold, and this is the best of both worlds. So for me, I give this again a 10 off this video, and I don't think that's going to change. I think the more I'm going to wear this, I think this is going to be my favorite. And apologies to Burning Barbershop because that is an excellent creation, very unique. Something I've never smelled before, like a Burning Barbershop. Very unique idea, but at the same time, this is so up my wheelhouse. Ashy smoke, and I think the thing that really makes me gravitate to this thing is the balsamic quality, the oily, the greasy tannery of leather. Absolutely gorgeous, a gorgeous scent. This is DS and Durga. You guys just killed it with this one. I'm head over heels in love with this release. Probably one, if not the best purchase of 2020 for me in Discovery. I should be making that list soon. We are going to be close to the end of 2020. We're closing it down, but I still have a few things to unbox. Yeah. I'm going to be wearing this a lot. I might be actually wearing that Christmas Day, to be quite honest. It is a stunner. So, DS and Durga in 2021, yes, I am going. I already got a couple samples. I got, what did I get? I got Notorious Oud, their Oud base set, to try that one out. I already know about their two freshies that I want to get, so forget those. And I think I got the other amber, so I can't wait to delve into that. But I know that Radio Bombay, DeBasser, those are two that are on the buy list already. I don't need samples. They're both great. So Amber Kiso, a great one. Now that you heard my take, of course, especially if you haven't seen that other video, you can definitely comment below. Let us know what you think about this release or of the brand of DS and Durga if you have tried them out. Which ones are the stunners from the brand? And again, you can name drop a bunch of things that I could try out and describe them a little bit in the comments. If you don't mind, you can pique my interest a little bit on other releases. So as always, a greater pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your leather-based release wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.